Get ready. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, start. These writ petitions under Article 32 of the Constitution of India are filed by the parents of one who died while in judicial custody on 1/6/1996. They pray that an investigation by the Central Bureau of Investigation be ordered into the circumstances of his death, and that the respondents, the state of Uttar Pradesh, and the police and the jail authorities be directed to pay them compensation for his death. The report on the post-mortem examination of the body is on record. It shows that he was about 20 years of age and had expired in medical college at about 9:05 p.m. on 1/6/1996. External examination of his body showed bleeding present from nose and mouth. The right side of the thorax contained blood. The organs in the abdomen were found to be contused, to contain 700 ml of blood, and to be congested and contain 100 ml of blood respectively. Antemortem injuries were found on the body. The cause of the death was reported to be shock and hemorrhage as a result of antemortem injuries. The case of the petitioners, principally based upon the postmortem report, is that his death had occurred in judicial custody by reason of the injuries then sustained. The petitioners state that he was working as a supervisor with a contractor of Maruti Udyog Limited and received emoluments in the sum of Rs 5,000 per month. The affidavit states that the postmortem report and cause of death as stated appears to be a concocted story. The injury mentioned on the belly of deceased can also be caused because of bursting of liver inside the body. At the time of postmortem, reportedly, there was a crowd of nearly 60 to 70 villagers creating hue and cry, who are said to have forced doctors to mention injury on the belly. The affidavit adds that there were no marks of any injury on the body. As per postmortem report, there were marks of contusion on the ankles and hands, and that was because of bandage cloth that was tied on wrist and legs while he was given oxygen, as he was restless and throwing his legs and hands in a semi-conscious state, causing hindrance in treatment provided by doctors attending on him. This fact is stated by doctors in magisterial and DIG (prisons) inquiry report. They state that the bandage tied to wrist and ankles because he was throwing his legs and hands about while in a semi-conscious condition caused the injuries referred to in the postmortem report. The injuries on belly mentioned in the postmortem report, according to that expert opinion, can also be caused by bursting of liver inside the body. Upon the strength of such expertise, the deponent of one affidavit states that the postmortem report and cause of death are a concocted story.